And I don't have a point of common reference with you, so I'm just going to show you around. Floors are really nice. You could use this as an office or, little sitting room. Here's the family room, and she's willing to paint it if you don't care for the color. I like the red, but pops with the white. It's a really big room. I know you can kind of get a sense of it if I walk across it. So even with furniture, you can see. We'll go out in the backyard in a few minutes. Nice big formal dining room. It's got a lot of wall space. It's a little dark in here because all the lights, the blinds are shut. You come this way. And here's the first floor bedroom. It'll take a queen size bed pretty nicely. I saw it when it the windows are in good shape. If you can. Light bulbs. Closet. And then that room has access to this full bath. Insulated garage door. And there's the side passage door. There's a lot of extra concrete over there on the side.